Hello everyone, good day to you all. Welcome to the lesson number 24th of Excel formulas. So these days we are talking about if function. So this is the part 3 of if function. In our last lesson we talked about how to use if function with is blank function. So today I'm going to show you another combination with our same scenario, that is about if and is number. If and is number. Let's see how to use this if plus is number with the same scenario here, right? We have here the PO numbers, right? The same case we are going to do here. If the PO number is there, then the PO backspan yes. If the PO number is not there, then the PO backspan is no. Let's see how we can do this using is number. This one, you can see the description. Check whether the value is a number and returns true or false. Double click, select the cell, close bracket, comma. Okay, if this cell is a number, then yes. If not, no. Right, because you know in your data extract, if the purchase order number is there, the number is there. If it is not there, then it is blank, right? So then you will see the same result as we did in our part 1 and part 2 of if function lessons, right? And then copy formula. You can see PO backspan no. Why? There is no number, it's blank. Okay, if I put a number here, see, it's changed into yes. Alright friend, that is how you can use this if with is number function. So think about your scenarios, your day-to-day work. So this can be helpful to you. So thank you very much for watching this lesson. Kindly share this video, learn from this and apply in your work, and also multiply the knowledge with others. God bless you all.